Hastings, a vibrant seaside town where art, music, and local culture thrive. It's home to one of Britain's oldest fishing ports, independent shops, creative spaces, and festivals that bring the town's eccentric charm to life. On the surface, it's peaceful, picturesque, calm. But beneath the quiet lies a storm of history. Hastings is the town where England's history changed forever. It all started here, in 1066, on a battlefield that would decide the future of a nation. The Battle of Hastings wasn't just a clash of kings. It was the end of Anglo-Saxon England and the birth of a new Norman rule. William the Conqueror built his first castle here. Sitting high above the town, Hastings Castle marked a new era of power, control, and identity. Today, the ruins still watch over the coast, whispering stories of conquest and legacy.